Going to create how to create a SQL statement from the Excel. Okay, suppose we got a we have a student data, so now we are going to create a student record in the database through the Excel. Okay, so here we are going to create insert SQL statement. Okay, so for that we are going to use concatenate function. So what is the basic syntax for the insert SQL statement? This is the one: insert into table name, values, and what are all the values. So now we are going to generate this statement with the data in the Excel by using the Excel function. Okay, that is our concatenate function. Okay, concatenate. So this is the syntax. It will accept 2 or many characters, but a minimum it need 2 arguments. Okay, so first one we need insert into values, insert into table name and values. So our table name is student, so this will be a hard coded one, so that is why I am putting double quotes. Any hard coded value should come between double quotes. So insert into student values. Okay, so now the value will be, the first column will be the name. So now I have to get the cell value. The cell address is A3. Okay, comma, again I have to comma, now B3. So now I close the function. Let us see what it's happening. If you see, insert into student values, it took the first entire character. Okay, then comma A3. What is A3? Sam. Then comma, double quotes. Inside the double quotes we have one quotes, then one comma, then one opening quotes for this next value. Okay, similarly we are going to do for everything. C3. So now we have completed for C3. Next we are going to do it for D3. So we have done for D3. Next we are closing the entire SQL closing bracket. So now we are going to enter. Now we have the formula. Okay, so this will insert the, so by using the Excel we automatically prepared the insert statement to insert into the table. So now if copy the formula to the remaining rows, it will dynamically generate the data. So this we can apply this technique while creating the reference data or promoting the reference data in our application. Okay, so the main purpose will be to auto populate the tables while promoting to new environment or creating the data in a new environment. Okay, so now we will see another formula, if. Okay, so now if the age is greater than 25, we are going to print it is eligible. So the formula for if is if, okay, logical test. What is the condition? It is asking the condition. B3 greater than 25. B3 age is greater than 25. Then print eligible, and comma. Okay, value, if it is false, then not eligible. Okay, so if you see 27 and it is eligible, 25 it is not eligible. If I continue the data, so it is not eligible. So here the insert statement also getting automatically changed. Okay, so we can use this if statement and this concatenate to generate our SQL queries. Okay, thank you.